Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank is just for personal accounts or if they offer services for businesses as well? Imagine you're starting a small business. You need a reliable bank that can handle your transactions, offer competitive rates, and provide the tools you need to succeed. But is Tangerine Bank the right choice for your business? In this video, we'll dive deep into Tangerine Bank's business account offerings. We'll explore the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if Tangerine is the right fit for your business. 1. A brief overview of Tangerine Bank. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Tangerine Bank is. It's a Canadian direct bank, known for its online-only approach and competitive rates. While Tangerine is primarily known for its personal banking services, they do offer a range of business accounts as well. 2. Tangerine's business account offerings. Business checking account. A versatile account for everyday business transactions. Features: unlimited transactions, no monthly fees, and online banking. Benefits: easy to manage, low-cost option for small businesses. Business savings account. A high-interest savings account for your business funds. Features: competitive interest rates, online access, and no monthly fees. Benefits: grow your business savings while earning interest. Business term deposit. A fixed-term investment for your business funds. Features: guaranteed interest rates, flexible terms, and online account management. Benefits: a secure way to invest your business funds. 3. Key features and benefits of Tangerine business accounts. Online and mobile banking. Conveniently manage your business finances from anywhere, anytime. Features: bill payments, transfers, account statements, and more. No monthly fees. Save money on banking fees and focus on growing your business. Competitive interest rates. Earn higher interest on your savings and investments compared to traditional banks. 24/7 customer support. Get assistance whenever you need it, even outside of regular business hours. 4. Potential drawbacks to consider. Limited branch network. As a direct bank, Tangerine doesn't have physical branches. If you prefer face-to-face banking, this might be a drawback. Less personalized service. While Tangerine offers online and phone support, you may not have the same level of personalized service as a traditional bank. 5. Comparing Tangerine to traditional banks. Fees. Tangerine typically has lower fees compared to traditional banks. Interest rates. Tangerine often offers higher interest rates on savings and investments. Convenience. Tangerine's online-only approach can be more convenient for businesses that prefer digital banking. Personalized service. Traditional banks may offer more personalized service, but at a higher cost. 6. Is Tangerine Bank right for your business? To determine if Tangerine Bank is the right choice for your business, consider the following factors. Your business size and needs. Your preference for online or traditional banking. Your priorities in terms of fees, interest rates, and convenience. Tangerine Bank does offer a range of business accounts that can be a good option for businesses looking for competitive rates, online convenience, and low fees. However, it's important to weigh the potential drawbacks, such as the lack of physical branches and personalized service. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Tangerine is right for your business is to assess your specific needs and compare it to other banking options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.